Hi friends, my name is Sunil Kumar and welcome to this channel. Today in this video, I will be showing you a coin in which you can invest your amount and get good returns. What actually happens, we retail investors enter in a trade when it is too late. We often miss the opportunities. So this is my sincere effort to make you aware of a trade in which you can invest your amount and get very good returns. But before I show you the coin, I would like to warn you that it will be a 100% risk trade, which means we are not going to trade with stop loss. There will be no stop loss. Either we will get our target, which is 10x in this trade, in this case, or we will wait until our amount becomes zero. So I strongly suggest you follow the rules I am going to discuss, or please do not take this trade. I repeat, do not take this trade if you are not going to follow the rules I am going to discuss. Often we retail traders become so greedy, and in greed we take risks that we cannot afford to lose. I don't want you to do this. You will either follow my rules or you will not take this trade. Okay, if you agree with me, then you can watch the next part of the video, or you can simply skip. Sorry for the language, but it is very necessary. It is my duty to safeguard you. That is why I am talking like that. Sorry again. So before I show you the coin, here are the 3 rules that you will be following if you are going to follow my trade. So first rule is you will only invest the amount that you are okay to lose. This trade is very risky, therefore you must follow this rule. If you are okay to lose 1000 rupees or 10 USD, then you will invest only this amount. On the other hand, if you are okay to lose 5000 rupees or 100 USD, then you can invest that amount. Only if losing this amount will not bother you. If this amount will bother you, you will not invest that amount. This is the second rule. The third and the last rule is once the coin is listed on the Binance, you will exit and book profit. So these were the rules you are supposed to follow if you are going to watch the next part of the video. So let's jump in. Before I show you the coin, here are the reasons to invest in this coin. Here are the reasons that force us to invest in this coin. The first reason is the coin is listed on 20 exchanges and will soon list on top exchanges like Binance. This is the probability. I am not sure if it will be listed on Binance or not. The second reason is on Coin Marketplace, its rank is 702. The third reason is the coin has more than 82k Twitter followers, which is a very good number. And the coin has given 38,566 rate of return since launched. The coin is available at many point of sales points. This coin is accepted by many retailers, and also this coin is mentioned by Forbes. These are the reasons. So next slide is active community. This is a very good signal. The coin's community is very active on the internet, mainly on the Twitter. They usually tweet once in a day, which is a good thing that the community is active. I already mentioned that on Coin Marketplace, the coin is ranked 702 and its market capitalization is 18.59 million. If it get listed on the Binance, then you already know once a coin is listed on the Binance what type of returns it gives to investors. So in a hope that this coin will be listed on Binance, I am recommending you to invest in this coin. So the coin can test all-time high. This coin may test its all-time high if bull run occurs. It will certainly test its all-time high if it gets listed on big exchanges like Binance. Although this is not guaranteed, but if it will happen, then it will certainly test its all-time high. So I already mentioned the coin is already listed on the more than 20 exchanges. Wallet holders are increasing. Its wallet holders are increasing day by day, which shows it's gaining popularity. The coin is already gaining so much popularity. Over the years, it gained so many wallet holders. So these were the reasons to invest in this coin. So let me introduce the coin I am talking about. So this is the coin I am talking about, free coin. This can give you very good returns. So my target is 10x with no stop loss. Their website is designed very well. Here are the stats. Current price is this, and its market cap is 18.6 million, and since it launched, it has given you 38,566% rate of return. So basically this coin is launched for the beginners who do not know how cryptocurrencies work. They can invest in this coin to learn how cryptocurrencies work with minimum loss. Coin is already adopted by many retailers. These are the spotted wallets. So this is the home coin marketplace website. As you can see, the rank of this coin is 702 and its total market cap is 18.6 million. Okay, you can see over the years or months its wallet holders are increasing. This is a very good signal that it is accumulating good amount of wallet holders. And as I said, it has more than 82k Twitter followers, and you can see it is the community is very active on the Twitter. They usually tweet once in a day and many times more than once in a day on Twitter. Okay, you can see the chart of the coin. At this time it is trading at this level. If you simply set this stop loss and set your target of its all-time high, then you can simply get 10x returns, 9.7 returns, which are almost 10x. So I tried to show you that this is a great trading opportunity. If by chance it gets listed on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, then you can simply get this 10x returns. But as I mentioned in the beginning, simply risk a very small amount. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are going to enter in this trade, then please do not risk more than you can afford.